to Jamestown Jobs. I'm Emily Bivens with the Jamestown Area Chamber of Commerce, and we're here at the City Baler to check out what it's like to be a sanitation worker. Let's go! Hi, I'm Emily with the Chamber.
Hi, I'm Ryan Slough from the Jamestown Sanitation Department. I will take you for a little spin and show you what our daily routine is for operations.
Awesome.
Why don't you get in the other side? Okay.
Oh, look at all the snacks.
We are gonna, well, we live pretty much inside these pickups or these roll-offs all day long. Like, I normally don't get out of mine very often in the day besides just open doors and closed doors. So.
You guys pick up garbage and bale it, but people also bring it out.
People bring garbage out here, and then we dump on either on the hill or inside the baler, or either if it's garbage, we bale it. If it's inert, we take it up on our inert landfill, and we use the bulldozer to compact it down.
What's inert?
Inert is all construction debris that does not decompose into the water system. We don't have we have two landfills. We have an MSW landfill and an inert landfill. An MSW landfill has a liner in it. So all of our garbage that we put in there's a leachate, there's a hole at the bottom like a drain in a tub, and all that leachates down into another pond that goes through a pipe, and then we haul that leachate to the wastewater plant. And
groundwater.
Yes, so it does not disturb groundwater. So today you're going to be running the case loader. You're going to be pushing garbage into our conveyor, which goes up the conveyor, goes inside the hopper, and we end up making bales and haul it to our MSW landfill. All day when a garbage truck shows up, you'll push the garbage onto the conveyor, and then when it's all pushed up and baled, you wait for the next garbage truck to show up.
And you want me to drive that big?
Yep, I want you to drive that big loader.
What about that? I'd rather do that
You
one.
will be able to run that anytime you want. And that skid loader is mainly used for cleaning around the baler or putting bales into our roll-off boxes where we haul the bales out to our MSW landfill. This is going to be your brake. There's two brakes. There we go, brakes up. Put your hands on this wheel. You're going to pull this lever back.
Okay. Oh God.
Yep, keep going. Okay, so there's to there. Now you take this handle and you tilt it to the side and it'll rotate that bucket. Okay, now lift up first. Okay,
there you go.
Okay, so now turn this. We're going to try getting that garbage right there.
Okay.
On. Yep.
I'm going super slow.
So now turn yourself a little that way. So you kind of just swoosh it into that conveyor.
Okay.
Yep. We'll go like this too. Keep going, give her some gas.
Oh my.
Then we're gonna bring it back this way.
Oh God.
Okay. And then when you get up to it, kind of turn yourself to the left and you'll swoosh it all in there.
Okay.
So keep going like that. Yep. Now it's their turn. So then after we push all that garbage in, it comes out as a bale.
Okay.
We'll go
Over and look at those. So the skid steer picks them up
Yep.
and puts them in here.
As it come down, this thing rams and makes a bale. The bales weigh anywhere from 2,500 to 3,000 pounds depending on the weather. If it's raining, they're way heavier. If it's dry, they're way. So as they come out, they slide down. This guy grabs one. We put 8 bales in a box, and then we haul them out to our NSW landfill.
Okay.
And some guy, we usually get 8 loads of bales a day. It will keep us at normal. If we get any less than 8 bales, we get behind in a day.
So the jobs you have available right now are mostly operating heavy machinery?
Operating heavy equipment. You need a CDL, a Class B license, air brakes. So at any day, you could be running a loader, to a skid loader, to a garbage truck, to a bulldozer, to driving a roll-off truck or a garbage truck. And one day you could do all those things in one day.
Wow. Most of your guys
rotate
do all
through.
of those things?
A lot of guys, we try to keep at the same position if we can. They just do the same thing as long as we got how many people are here.
Yeah.
Everybody knows how to do everything here, but we try to keep the same guys at the same position. As long as nobody has a problem with it, that works for us the best. So
Yeah.
like right now we need 2 guys. We need a commercial driver and a baler operator guy. And the commercial route drivers just do all businesses in the early mornings. They dump all the businesses, hotels, and dump all their garbage, and they bring it here, dump it, we bale it, we haul it out to the landfill. The commercial drivers work at different hours than us. They don't really help in the baler much. They just, more or less, it's an 8-hour day for them to get all the businesses dumped in a day.
Okay.
That's 5 days a week. No, all holidays.
So I know the baler has different hours for the community to bring stuff in.
Yep.
But you guys are here.
We're here from 7 to
time.
3:30, but the commercial guys come in at about 4 or 5 in the morning.
Wow. Okay.
And then they leave about noon or 1.
Okay.
But they work right through their lunches and go right through everything, so.
Awesome.
If you're interested in learning more about the Baler and other City of Jamestown jobs, visit jamestownnd.gov for more information. If you have a job you need to fill, have it highlighted on our next Jamestown Jobs. Contact the Jamestown Area Chamber of Commerce for more details. See you next time.